As indicated by our ongoing land sort of exemplary cost forecast, the worth of land kind of exemplary will expanded by 215.29%, coming to $0.000213 by end of 2025. All specialized markers demonstrate that the ongoing opinion is negative, while the trepidation and avarice list is perusing 36.87, and that implies essentially intense apprehension. Our land commonly exemplary conjecture, it's hazardous to sell land exemplary at this moment. On September 16, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while extremely different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an exceptionally broad negative opinion among land sort of exemplary cost forecasts in an unobtrusive manner. See the most certainly precise land exemplary cost forecast beneath. You will know the amount land exemplary fundamentally is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout the course of recent days, land exemplary essentially has sort of diminished by 11.95%. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of land exemplary expanded by 113.40% and came to approach around $0.000125. Right now, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and veracity record certainly shows 36.87 really intense feelings of dread amazingly. As per our figure, this for the most part isn't the ideal opportunity to sell land exemplary. As of now, land most certainly exemplary is exchanging beneath the 200 basic moving normal. For the very most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA truly has shown a land exemplary selling especially signal. The cost of land exemplary explicitly is at present running underneath the 50-day really basic moving normal. SMA, and it explicitly shows a sell signal incredibly. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will in a real sense hit $0.000959 toward the finish of December, which is genuinely huge. By December 2023-2024, Land Classic SBI and large transient 50-day SMA really shows as $0.000683, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. The kind of relative strength list RSI energy oscillator is a famous pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70 in a significant way. RSI is presently at Hercivalu. This demonstrates that the LUNC market is in an unbiased position in spite of mainstream thinking. Land exemplary value expectation 2023 in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023. Land kind of exemplary came to $0.000192 when it for the most part dipped under $0.000145. Interestingly, since January 2021, in spite of mainstream thinking. As per the financial backers and market sends out, land exemplary is en route to passing the $0.000128 mark before the current year is over, which is genuinely critical. Before $0.000128, it might break its characteristic of $119.18 and really reach, as indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, land truly exemplary will break its past all-time high of $119.18 and hold somewhere in the range of $0.000105 and $0.000128 soon, or so they thought. At this point, on 16 September 2023, land exemplary is exchanging at $0.000586, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 12.11 M, and it makes number 87 cash in the very entire crypto world in an unobtrusive manner. Land exemplary value expectation 2024. There is plausible that land exemplary can get through the $0.000150 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The barely the least land pretty exemplary cost will be between $0.000125 to $0.000150, and the most kind of reasonable land exceptionally exemplary cost will for the most part be consistent at around $0.000146 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Land Classic's wild swings in esteem, and the debate encompassing its earth unpleasant energy use, very rich person adventure essentially entrepreneur Tim Draper in a real sense, is adhering to his forecast that land exemplary will in every way that really matters reach $0.000150 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Land exemplary value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that LUNC will begin the year at $0.000172 and exchange around $0.000213. As indicated by their forecasts, this would be incredibly high contrasted with truly a year ago. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin in an unobtrusive way. Land kind of exemplary value expectation 2026. There really is a by and large great possibility that land especially exemplary 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost, yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal especially most extreme $0.000269 level in spite of prevalent thinking. Land exemplary generally is especially anticipated to truly arrive at an untouched high of $0.000258 or $0.000269 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended period of land exemplary. Land exemplary value expectation 2027. Land exemplary value forecast, or LUNC, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs, as far as price tags and market cap, which most certainly is very critical. Land Classic's cost for the most part is supposed to outperform $0.000269 in 2027, which is very critical. It has been anticipated that land exemplary will in every practical sense arrive at the most extreme cost of $0.000269, and the base cost is supposed to be around $0.000225 in the following a long time from 2027, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Land exemplary value expectation 2028. Market examiners and specialists generally explicitly say that land essentially exemplary value forecast and specialized examination, land genuinely exemplary in a real sense, is supposed to cross a value level of $0.000310 in 2028, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. In the interim, land exemplary